G'day everyone. In this episode of Inside Harvok, we're going to be covering warranty and servicing because we've had quite a number of requests and inquiries about this video. So we're going to cover a lot of topics in this one. Starting off with warranty, so we've got a nationwide 5-year structural warranty which accounts for any cracking, not that we've had any, in the body or the chassis, all of the construction work. You've got a 2 years limited manufacturer's warranty, and then all of the products that we're using from other manufacturers, be it Cruisemaster, Dometic, Telair, all those kind of things. It's those manufacturers' warranties, but we're happy to take on most of that work for you unless they have a specific location they'd like you to get the work done. So either way, we've got a service and warranty team here, so they're always here ready to take your call or your email and cover any of the issues that are going on with your van, and we will send you to anyone we know or work with you to find someone that is close by to get the work done, rather than ask you to come all the way back to Harvok in Sydney or Caboolture or Melbourne and cancel your big plans. So none of that. It's nationwide, and we'll find somewhere nearby you. As for servicing, just like many other manufacturers, we've got a 1,000 kilometre first inspection and service, and then after that it's every 10,000 Ks or every 12 months, whatever comes first. So just like your warranty repairs, you don't have to come back to Harvok specifically. As long as it's a licensed and qualified workshop, we're more than happy for them to do the work for you, as long as you just get that signed off to maintain your warranty. In terms of specific things, we've had quite a few comments about what if the aluminium body cracks or things like that. So in order for one of these to crack, you'd have to put such an enormous amount of pressure on them, whereas if you'd had a regular built van, it'd be a complete write-off. So if you were ever to get a crack, depending on the severity of it and how structurally damaging it was, obviously there's a case of being a write-off if you had a really bad accident, but if it's just a crack on the outside of the body, you can take it to a panel beater, just like a vehicle, and they'll be able to fix it up for you. So it's not as hard as you may think it is. These are built just like a car, so they can be repaired just like a car. A lot of other vans where they've got aluminium composite panels, they're really, really thin. You can't even buff scratches out of them because you'll just wear through the actual material. So unlike us, it's an actual 2 mil thick aluminium shell with proper automotive paintwork and coating on the outside. So all that kind of stuff can be repaired at any panel beater that you can find. On our website, we've also got an extremely comprehensive knowledge base. So whether you have a van already or you're just looking at buying one, feel free to go and check it out, because it's got frequently asked questions and troubleshooting for almost anything that you can think of. So once you've picked up your van, you can log in there and put in your VIN and your owner details, and you'll be able to log into our warranty portal where you'll be able to submit any claims through there as well. But again, if you've got any issues or any questions, you can hit that knowledge base and have a look through, and it'll more than likely have the answers that you're looking for. Thanks for checking out this episode of Inside Harvok. We'll catch you in the next one.